I'm Ashlyn and my husband is Zach, and we're traveling A to Z. We have currently been exploring Egypt. Join us this week as we give you a tour of our Nile cruise boat. We're heading to Aswan. In Aswan, we're going to get on a Nile river cruise. We're boarding the Princess Sarah II. This is the boat on the Nile cruise. As you walk onto the air-conditioned boat, you have the lobby and check-in desk on the left, and then you have a big staircase that leads to some of the other floors. This is a nice little sitting area slash bar area.
We're on a boat. We just got to Aswan and we just got on a boat on the Nile River, and we're going to go up the Nile River to Luxor. And right now we're in the bar. Our guide is checking us in, so we don't have to do anything except sit here and drink whatever this is.
It's their welcome drink. I think it's hibiscus juice. We thought it was pomegranate the whole time, but we have been getting this hibiscus juice a couple places, and they're like, oh, you want some hibiscus juice? And we're like, sure, why not? And then we're like, oh, that's what it is. It's not pomegranate. But it almost has a taste like pomegranate. Just a little tangy, not extremely sweet, but yeah, it's good.
Yes, it is.
We are on the Sarah boat. We'll give you a tour later. There's about 80 to 90 people on this boat. This is docked here, I think, about a day and a half. So a lot of people are doing the tourist thing today. And then we are doing the tourist thing tomorrow, too, in Aswan. We already visited the Fila temple, and then we're going to do the Nubian village after lunch. We're getting ready to set sail on the Nile, going north. So I guess it would be downstream, which is kind of weird because the river goes from south to north, and most rivers go north to south. So kind of unusual fact about the Nile. We're leaving the dock for the first time. Right now, we are making our way on the Nile River on the river cruise. There is over 300 river boats that will run this river from Aswan to Luxor. So we're going to our room on the cruise. We're in 402. We're in 402. Apparently it's the luxurious suite. Here we go. Ooh. Wow. Okay.
Ooh, we get a king-size bed.
This is cute.
Yeah.
A bathroom. Wow. Not a bad bathroom for a little river cruise. Here's our window. Let's check it out.
This is the view from our room.
None of them actually have balconies you could go out, but they do have a window and door you could slide and see everything, and it's kind of like being outside, kind of with air conditioning. It's kind of nice. So we're wandering around. I think we got the best room on the boat. The guy was like, oh, this is a good room. It's a suite, and yeah, it's like a hotel room on a boat. It's the best boat room we've ever been in, for sure. We're going to get some food. Oh, it smells good. The river cruise had a buffet that changed its food every day, and we were assigned a table that we sat at the whole time. A little sitting area. The sitting area is right between the two different sections of the room, which are all, I think, on the 4th floor. As you walk through to different floors, there's a gift shop, and they also sell photos that they take around the boat and at the different temples. Down the stairs, they have a little bar and billiard room. Okay, we're gonna go check out the sun deck. I found the workout room. One bike and one elliptical. Got a little pool. It's cute, it's small. Ooh, it's nice and cool, actually feels good. I'm really excited they just have a pool. It'd be nice to cool off maybe. I'm not sure how long this cruise is. Like ours is 3 days. Some are 3, some are 5, some are 7. So I'm not sure if this boat just does 3-day cruises or if they do like longer. But we picked it up in Aswan and we are gonna go all the way to Luxor over the next 3 days and get off and have a tour at the different temples as we go. So around 4 to 4:30, they have tea and cookies up on the sun deck. Cute little room decoration from our housekeeping today was a Nile crocodile. How cute is this? And yesterday they made us this cute little Egyptian guy riding an elephant. How creative. So this is a little garden on an island. You can see them working and picking. So we are on the Sarah to Nile cruise. It's a 5-star Nile cruise. It has 66 double bed suites, 2 presidential suites, and 2 junior suites. We got the junior suite, which is awesome. This boat is 5 levels. There's a sun deck, which has gorgeous views, which is where I'm at right now. There's a couple decks of rooms. The restaurant's on the bottom, and there's a like a lobby and a area with like a little lounge. They have like a disco night and then a belly dancer night. We went to one of the nights, it was really loud, so we went to bed because we've been exploring all the time. This boat is a Spanish-speaking boat, which we didn't know, but they speak okay English, and our guide that is with us, the Egyptologist, helps us out like the whole time. Unfortunately, we are on our last night. We're gonna hit Luxor later this evening and then spend the night on a boat, and then we hit the Valley of Kings tomorrow.
Join us next week as we take you along some of the major temples and stops along our Nile cruise as we go from Aswan to Luxor. Please subscribe below to follow more of our adventures.